What's up, besties? We're back with another YouTube video, and it's no shade, period. Shout out to LuvMe Hair for sending me another HD bust down wig. This wig was very much full, thick, and the lace was thin. It's the air lace. So shout out to LuvMe Hair. I always love their wigs. You guys already know I'm using my boho products to slay this look. You want to always use your skin protectant. That is not optional. It's totally mandatory. No shade. Look at me trying to yank this wig on her head. Y'all know Kelly played too damn much. But anyways, I'm going in with my boho lace tape. The tape just helps this wig stay on for a long periodically time. My regular clients, they always tell me, oh, my wig lasted a month. Oh, my wig didn't come off. I had to take my wig off. So that tape is definitely something that you want to use if you're trying to go the long haul with your wig. No shade. I did 3 to 4 layers, and then I made sure it was clear. And then we just applied that lace. It's no shade. Now that my glue is dry, I'm just going to place this wig right on top of the glue. I'm not going to put it before the glue, over the glue, right on top of the glue. Some of y'all put the wig too far up. Some of y'all put it too far back. Put it right where it goes. No shade, and tie it down. Use warm to cool air. Then use your eyebrow razors. Jagged cut this lace off, because scissors is going to be too sharp. It's going to look like you just left the barber shop, and that's never a vibe. Y'all know I love baby hairs. I'm just plucking a little bit more. Now this specific wig, it doesn't have that much space on the sides, so that is something to know. Most of the parting space is in the middle. No shade. Now I'm using my goat spray to kind of help melt this lace into the scalp before I tie it down. You can use any holding spray. You can use that red Eben or the black Eben, or even just regular Got to Be if you don't have the goat spray. The goat spray is really for glueless installs, but this is all I had at the moment, so I was definitely using my goat spray, no shade, because I be wanting my wigs to be on. So for the styling process, Kelly wanted a big, voluminous, dramatic, auntie, principal, housewife type look. Queens of Comedy, Kelly Rowland, 2005, Tony Childs like type look. And I feel like everything I described can go under what this hairstyle looks like to me. But to get these type of curls, it's all in the cut. So do not be scared to cut. That was just me cutting a little bit. That was just me starting off to see like what my guide would be. I knew I was going to do a middle part, but I wanted it to be able to, you know, kind of flip over naturally and almost like a micro link look. But yeah, so you want to cut, you want a hot comb, you want to make sure everything's laid. It's pretty much all in the way you layer this hair. You cannot be scared to go in and cut. No shade. So not only did I layer the front, I also went in and layered the whole wig. I just grabbed big pieces and layered it going downward. And then I also went in and pulled some of the hair out in the front, almost like a bang, and cut some more. So I don't know, it's giving like when I did that mullet on Gabby, we cut a lot. But with this, it's not heavy cutting, it's just layering cutting. So this is just so when you curl it and you do your comb throughs, it's just body, yaddy, no Megan Thee Stallion, period. When you're doing curls and you're doing a layered, big, voluminous look, and you don't want your hair to look wavy, you want it to be body, you have to use a big barrel iron. I got this at the hair store, or probably even Walmart, CVS. These one of the cheap curling irons. This probably not even no more than $25. So make sure you go get one, because every stylist needs a big barrel curling iron. I feel like these are the easiest curls to do, and they're also the most easiest to maintain throughout the day, because all you need is a wide tooth comb and you're good. Child, now this part, I don't know who I thought I was. I seen all the bougie stylists, the cosmetologists. I see them do this stuff with the bristle brush, and or should you call it a round brush, and use the blow dryer. I thought I was gonna make it voluminous, but really all I was doing was just tangling that hair into that brush, getting on my own nerves. But I don't know. I think it did help give a little volume. Maybe I need to watch some more YouTube videos on how to use the round brush with the blow dryer. But I thought I was going somewhere with it. No shade. You guys already know curling the baby hairs is one of my major keys to success. If I don't curl them, I'm not doing them, period. This is such an important step for me. I feel like it just helps you lay the hair easier. It's no shade, period. I used mousse because I needed to know what I was doing. I wanted to be able to reshape them and get them how I wanted them to lay. Sometimes when you use hairspray, you got to get it right on that first couple swoops, because then it's already locked in and hard. I think I'm more so on the mousse them and then spray them after type vibes. No shade. But even then, I forgot to spray them. I forgot to comb them out, girl. So they just stayed like this the whole time. But yes, after doing my finishing touches, this is pretty much my end result after tying that hair down. Thank you, LuvMe Hair, for sending me this bust down wig. Kelly loves this hairstyle. This is one of her favorite wigs that you guys done sent her, and it's no shade. I will have all the information for this wig in the description below, so make sure you read all that information, guys. Shout out to my SBM gang. We're almost at 5K subscribers. We've been working overnight and growing overnight. I need to buy y'all some new shoes. Y'all feet keep growing. No shade. But yes, bye y'all. Thank y'all for all y'all support.